Hey guys, thank you for joining me on this week's recipe. I have got an absolute bang over recipe, guys. I have got chicken tikka balti. Check it out. Look at this, guys. Chicken tikka balti. Spicy, of course, garlicky, of course, just how we like it. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add the spice in. Guys, enjoy this recipe and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Good evening, ladies and gents. Welcome to this week's recipe. If you've just joined my live, this week I'll be cooking a chicken tikka balti. Right, so I've got a chicken tikka balti. Check it out. We've got all the ingredients right here, pretty much, and I shall go through them as we cook. If you're new, guys, here I am Babel, founder of the Bengali Cook. What I do here, guys, I show you how to make Indian restaurant style curries at home, as well as authentic Bangladeshi home style curries. If you haven't done so, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and do share the channel. Having said that, let's crack on. So what we've got here, oh yeah, check it out, the chicken tikka you've ever seen, like just air fried. Bang, look at that, guys, absolutely looks gorgeous. Right, so let's go, get the heat on. I've decided to go with the chicken tikka balti. It's obviously it's going to be spicy, it's going to be garlicky, right? Because that's how I like it. Right, so what we're going to do, so we've got base gravy is fresh and new. We're going to scoop up the oil from there. Just going to use the oil from there. There we go. If you want to use ghee, you can do. I'm just going to use the oil from the base gravy. Right, let's get this one in here. Don't forget, if you've got too much oil in your curry, you can always scoop it out at the end. So what we've got here, first of all, we have got garlic. You can use a couple of cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so I'm going to use, got about 4 cloves of garlic in there. Dash that in. We've got some green and red pepper, that's going to go in soon. We've also got one small onion and about 4 green chillies. We're going to make this chicken tikka balti hot, guys. It's going to be hot. If you don't want it hot, don't use the green chillies or chili powder. I've got my Indian restaurant style mix powder here. It's running out. I need to make some more. As soon as you can smell the aroma from the garlic, you're more than welcome to add the onion in. Normally at the restaurants we have the pre-cooked service onion. Because making it at home, so I'm just going to cook it here. Let it go. Pinch of kasuri methi. Add salt to taste. In goes our tomato puree. So it's a spiced tomato puree. 1, good teaspoon. Beautiful, guys. 1 teaspoon of the mixed restaurant style powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Put that mix in there. I'm going to put my green pepper. So normally at the restaurant these are pre-cooked, but as we're not at the restaurant, we're at home, I'm going to add it in now. What's going on with this? Here is where the flavour begins. So cook your spice well. Tiny bit of lemon juice. Look at that, guys. That's this up. But here's another thing. Here's another thing we should do. So this is ketchup, tomato ketchup, right? With 1 tablespoon. Give it a go. We're still cooking the spice. Look at that. Delicious. Don't forget, guys, the main flavour is all in the pre-work, okay? The tikka, the base gravy. So you can see it's catching in the pan. Now is when we add more base. So generally, chicken balti isn't a hot dish, but I'm making it hot. Right? If you don't like it hot, don't use the chillies. Now we're going to go with our full base gravy portion now. Pinch of garam masala at the end. And there we have it, guys. Our chicken tikka balti is ready, almost under 10 minutes now. If you want to leave it on low heat for now, let it simmer for another 2 or 3 minutes, you can do. If you want to have it now, guys, you can have it now. It's all ready for you now. Chicken tikka balti, Indian restaurant style, made at home. There we go. So don't forget, guys, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Comment below what recipe you want to see and what you think of this recipe. Look at that. I need some daylight, so I'm making this in the evening. So let's just zoom in. There you go. Look at that. Bang. Like I say, if you don't want to use any chili, you don't have to use it, okay? If you're going to use ghee, you can use ghee. But this is the thickness I'm going for. If you want to make it more dry, you can do. If you want to add more sauce, you can do. But this is the thickness I'm going for. This is plenty. Well, having said that, guys, enjoy the recipe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.